Welcome to 2025 Malibu, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, specs, and features. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford Crown Victoria, a modern take on a legendary nameplate. Ford has reintroduced this iconic sedan with a fresh design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, making it a strong contender in the full-size sedan market. The exterior of the 2025 Ford Crown Victoria blends classic design cues with contemporary styling. It features a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that gives it a refined yet aggressive stance. The aerodynamic design not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to improved efficiency. The alloy wheels and chrome accents add a premium touch, ensuring the Crown Victoria stands out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Crown Victoria offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering around 300 horsepower and smooth acceleration. For those seeking more power, Ford offers a 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces an impressive 450 horsepower, providing a thrilling driving experience. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for seamless shifts and improved fuel efficiency. Additionally, an all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced stability and control in various road conditions. Step inside, and the Crown Victoria greets you with a spacious and luxurious cabin. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and advanced technology create a comfortable and modern environment. The digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Sync 4 provide intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless smartphone integration, while a premium sound system enhances the audio experience. Heated and ventilated seats, along with customizable ambient lighting, add to the comfort and elegance of the interior. Safety has been a priority in the design of the 2025 Ford Crown Victoria. The sedan comes equipped with Ford's Copilot 360 suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system and parking sensors further enhance visibility and ease of maneuvering in tight spaces. These advanced safety features provide peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The driving dynamics of the new Crown Victoria strike a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The electric power steering ensures precise handling, making city driving effortless and highway cruising smooth. Whether you prioritize a relaxed ride or spirited driving, the Crown Victoria delivers a well-rounded experience. Ford has also focused on fuel efficiency with this model. The V6 engine offers an estimated 25 miles per gallon on the highway, while the V8 manages around 22 miles per gallon. Additionally, a hybrid variant is rumored to be in development, which could further improve efficiency for eco-conscious drivers. With its blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology, the 2025 Ford Crown Victoria is a worthy successor to its legendary predecessors. It caters to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers, offering a refined driving experience with modern innovation. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of the latest car, make sure to subscribe to 2025 Malibu and stay updated with all things automotive.